Hi, my name is Maddi Nguyen, and I'm the content creation intern for Southern Appalachian Highlands Conservancy. And today I am with
Sarah Sheeran, Stewardship Director at Southern Appalachian Highlands Conservancy.
So Sarah, I wanted to ask, as the Stewardship Director at Southern Appalachian Highlands Conservancy, what does it mean to steward land?
Sure. So once SHC protects a particular property, whether that's through a conservation easement or through a fee simple or nature preserve acquisition, it folds into the stewardship program. And we are responsible for upholding the conservation values and defending the property in perpetuity or forever. And so there's quite a bit of work that goes into that. For conservation easements, once, even before the property closed, stewardship is involved in the process from the beginning, and we work closely with our land protection team to understand the property's conservation values. We document those and all the existing conditions in a very comprehensive report called a baseline documentation report. And once the property closes, that is really where our responsibility to that property begins and really is never ending. So not only do we have to do our annual monitoring visits of that property, we work closely with landowners to maintain positive relationships to ensure that the terms of the easement are being upheld. And if they have certain reserved rights and that they want to enact, we help them along through that process. If there are any damages or violations on the process, we are obligated to enforce the terms of the easement and really defend the property's conservation values. Once SHC protects the property, our work doesn't end there. Actually, quite a bit of it begins, because in the stewardship program, we are obligated to take care of that particular property in perpetuity or forever. And we can't do that without quite a bit of landowner, neighbor, public education and outreach about conservation, stewardship, why, for example, we post the boundaries in the way that we do, what our signs mean. And our work is really dependent upon partnerships that we make with local, state, federal partners, nonprofit organizations, and often individuals by way of volunteers.
Perfect. Thank you so much for meeting with Sarah and I today for a conservation conversation on stewardship.